Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. If you'd like to see how to make a delicious Italian rainbow cookie cake, then stay tuned. You can also cut this cake into the little tiny cookies if you'd like, but I'm going to serve it as a cake. Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you a real simple, easy way to make the most delicious, what do you call it? The rainbow cookies, the rainbow Italian cookies. They're called cookies, but they're actually made with cake. So the first thing you want to do is you want to get 2 white cake mixes and 1 yellow. So you're going to bake these cakes on a sheet pan that you spray and put some parchment paper down on. All right, because you want that parchment paper to stick. So you're going to make your white mix. You're going to make the whole entire box of cake as per the instructions on the box. And you're going to add red food coloring and 1 1/4 teaspoons of almond extract. You're going to add your almond extract to every single box of cake when you make it. So we're going to do this 3 times. We're going to do a red layer. With the other white cake mix, we're going to do a green layer. And then with the yellow cake mix, we are going to add a little bit of yellow food coloring, but we're going to do a yellow layer. So you're going to do this 3 times. If you have 3 baking sheets and you could fit 3 of these in your oven at one time, that's absolutely perfect. But again, just do your cakes as per the instructions on the box. Add some almond extract and some food coloring. And then we're just going to spread this out amongst the whole sheet pan. And it makes your life so much easier, guys, if you have an offset spatula. If you don't own one of these, they're so cheap, you really need to get one. So we're just going to spread this out like so. Make sure you get in the corners and then you make it all nice and even. And I already have my oven preheated to 350 degrees. A little bit of flour that didn't get mixed in right there. 350 degrees. And I'm going to watch this to see how long, because sometimes my oven, I don't know, the temperature is weird. Like when I bake my cheesecakes later, I actually, instead of 350, I have to put it up to like 355, 360 because I don't feel like it's getting hot enough. All right, so I'm going to put this in the oven. I'm going to let you know how long I bake it for. And you're going to do this to all 3 layers. Your green, your yellow, and your red. And then I'll show you what's after that. So simple, you guys. Okay, friends, so I have my 3 layers here. This layer, I took off the pan too quick and some of it cracked. But I have my green, my yellow, and my red. So I'm actually going to use this cracked one. And I don't know why, but in my oven, it baked like in a slope. The other ones didn't. I don't know what happened to this one. I thought I had it nice and even, but obviously I did not. So I'm going to use this as my bottom. And then what I'm going to do now is I'm just going to take my raspberry jam. I've seen these done with apricot as well. I love apricot, but you can basically use any kind you want. And I'm just going to spread with the offset spatula. So this is going to be my bottom layer. Then it's going to be the white, the yellow, and then the green on top. You don't want too much of this. You just want thin. Yeah, I'm upset with this layer, but I put it back on the baking sheet, but I totally, like, lifted it and took it off way too soon, and so it cracked. It was still too hot, because I'm impatient. But, oh well. So you just want to spread your jam. I actually like the one without the seeds, but the shelf was empty. It didn't have any, so it only had red raspberry preserves, and it does have the seeds in it. So I'm going to continue to spread this, and then I'm going to show you how I layer them. Okay, so all the jam is spread all over the whole entire red. And now we have to get this yellow one on top of this. So let me see if this one is cool enough. Yeah, kind of. No, it's going to crack. I have to wait another 10, 15 more minutes. Just to show you real quick, when this piece is a lot warmer than the other one was, look how nice it spreads when it's warm. So I would definitely put it on while the cake is still warm. It spreads so beautifully. Nice and thin like you're supposed to have it. Not like globs of jelly. See what I mean? Nice and thin. Get this out of the way. I seriously need a bigger kitchen. That's all I have to say. I need more counter room. See, it spreads so nice. All right, let me finish doing this. Okay, so I put the third layer on top, the green. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to cover it with the pan. And I'm just going to weight it. This, what do you call it, of mine is very heavy. This Temptations, what do you call it? Bread box is super heavy. So I'm just going to leave this on here for a while. Maybe I could put, oh, that's heavy too. Some self-rising flour. Over there, like that. And then I think I have a bag of sugar. Yeah. Over here. All right. So I'm just going to let this do its thing, and then I'll show you how to decorate it with the chocolate and what else I'm going to be putting on top. Okay, friends. So this has been sitting overnight. It's nice and cold. And I have here 2 bags of melted chocolate, which I just melted in the microwave. Now, we don't like dark chocolate around here. You're supposed to use dark chocolate or semi-sweet. That would be the best. But I actually am using milk chocolate because that's what we like. We're not dark chocolate people, if that makes any sense. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to start pouring this on and spreading it evenly with my offset spatula here. You want just a nice thin layer. We're going to go around the sides as well. So I won't bore you with doing the whole thing. For this, I'll just show you quick how I'm going to do the sides. It's okay if it drips over. Just want to make sure it's covered. And then, when the chocolate is all nice and hardened, I'm going to cut it in half and then in thirds. So I get 6 nice pieces that I could package up and give out as gifts. I have to run to the store and buy like little tins or something. So I'll run out tonight and then package it up tomorrow. But I just wanted to get this video up tonight in case anybody else wanted to make it. This is how you do it. So, all right, so I'm just going to continue to do all the way around. And then I'm going to let it dry, get hard, and then cut it and show you how it looks inside. So stay tuned. All right, so the chocolate is still wet. Now, usually when people decorate these, they decorate it with chocolate sprinkles or multicolored sprinkles. I actually forgot to buy sprinkles. So I have here a little bit of the pink cake that I trimmed. That I'm just going to sprinkle on. Just to give it a little something. And then, to make it look a little bit more festive, I'm just adding some coconut. So it kind of makes it look Christmassy with the red and the white. Because, yeah, I had so much to get and I totally forgot about the chocolate sprinkles. Oh well. Stuff happens, right? All right. So we're going to, like I said, we're going to let that dry, and then I'll be cutting it in a few, and you could see the pictures, how beautiful it's going to look on the inside. Thanks, everyone, for watching. My next video up, either later on or tomorrow, is going to be the easiest Christmas fudge recipe with just a couple of ingredients. No bake, and the fudge comes out absolutely delicious. So I'll be posting that. If you want to make that for Christmas, you can. So this way the video is up. So hit the notification bell so you know when my next video is coming out. And I wish everybody a Merry Christmas that's watching. Thank you so much for tuning in, and I'll see you all in the next Christmas fudge recipe. Bye. Okay, friends, so I'm about to cut this, and I just want to see how it looks on the inside. I mean, I know the pink layer seemed to be a little bit bigger, so how am I going to do this? I'm definitely going to cut it down this way, but I want to do one, cut it in half, and then maybe in half again. Okay, so I'm going to start by cutting it in half this way. And then in half this way. And that chocolate is very hard on there, so hoping it doesn't break all the way. And then cut each one of these in half. Alrighty. that's how it looks, my friends. Loving it. And to be honest, it really isn't that, it looks difficult to make, but it's really not. All you have to do is make 3 different cakes on the sheet pans, different colors. Put them together with the raspberry in between, then pour the melted chocolate on top. So it's actually kind of easy. All right, so I have little tins. I'm going to put these in for gifts for people. So I hope you enjoyed this video. I want everybody to have a very Merry Christmas. And I'll see you all in the next video. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. And click the notification bell and subscribe if you haven't already. All right, thanks again, guys. Merry Christmas. And I'll see you all in the next video. Bye-bye.